The brush settings area controls how your brush works in each of the 4 Polybrush modes. As you'll notice, when switching between modes, those settings always remain at the top. First, in brush settings, you have the preset selector. Here you can choose between any already created brush presets or add a new brush. To the right of that, you can save the current brush settings either on top of an existing preset or as a new preset. Just above the actual brush settings, you have the radius min and max. If you open this up, you'll be able to set the minimum radius and maximum radius, which is useful if you have a very small or large mesh. You can also set an unclamped fall off if you need to. Below this, you have the radius, strength, fall off, and fall off curve options. The radius, of course, is just how large the brush is. The strength is essentially opacity and will also work exactly as opacity when you're in the texture and color painting modes. And the fall off determines the 100% effect inner area of the brush. So let's take a look at this on the actual mesh. If I hover the brush over the mesh, you can see it overlaid on top. If the mesh is getting a little too much in the way, the blue mesh lines, you can turn those off quickly using the hide wireframe checkbox. And now we won't see that mesh anymore. You can use the scroll wheel on your mouse while holding Control to modify the radius. Hold Control and Shift to modify the strength, which you can see moving in the panel over here. And hold Shift to modify just the inner radius or fall off. Any elements highlighted in blue are going to be affected 100%, and anything in green will be affected based on the fall off curve. Taking a look at that, the last item in the brush settings area, you can click on this curve and set it to anything you'd like. And Polybrush will use that. So this can be a useful and powerful way to create some more interesting brushes. Lastly, don't forget you can always save your current brush settings simply by clicking the Save button, save as a new or save over the current, and quickly move between any presets via the preset dropdown. And if you have any questions, just click on the question mark icon at the top right of the brush settings area. Thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you in the other tutorials for Polybrush.